Do you want to be a carry-on traveler only, but still need to have all your stuff with you when you get to your destination, including your electronics? Me too. I do not like to wait in baggage claim for checked luggage, but I still need to be able to take all the things I need with me. I am getting ready to go visit my son in a couple of days, so today we're going to be packing everything up for that trip. I've been a carry-on traveler only for a while. I've even gone to Asia with just a carry-on bag and a backpack. But for these shorter trips, I don't like having to take the backpack along with my carry-on. I would really prefer to just take the carry-on and nothing else, but I've struggled to find the luggage piece that's gonna work for me. I have learned that the right tools for travel make or break your travel experience, especially going through TSA in different countries where you don't even speak the language, right? Now, I have found the perfect toiletry solutions for me, and I've done a video on all about how I get through TSA like a breeze with no problems at all with all of my liquids that I need to carry on in this bag, and it all works so well. I'll link that video here if you want to check that out. And I have found a fantastic wardrobe planning tool that ensures I have all the clothing and accessories with me that I need and none that I don't. And I've done a video on that one as well, and I'll link that here if you want to check out the wardrobe planning tool that I use. It's the electronics that have been my challenge. I need to be able to carry a laptop and, other equipment to produce YouTube videos while I'm traveling. But just about everybody these days needs to carry a laptop and probably some other accessories with them when they travel, even if you're not a YouTuber, right? So I've been on a mission to find the perfect carry-on luggage tool that's going to let me carry all of this stuff and not have to carry a backpack second piece for these shorter trips that I take. And today, I'll be showing you my new level 8 carry-on cases. Let me show you this piece that has made such a big difference for me. Maybe it'll make a big difference for you too. So one of the first things I love about this case is this gorgeous navy blue color. Like if you look around my house, you can see I like navy blue. So navy blue and pink are some of my favorite colors. And so that's the first thing I noticed about this luggage. I absolutely love the color. I love that it has two separate integrated TSA locks. It's got one lock that serves this front compartment and one lock that serves the main compartment. And I love that because that means I can go through the TSA security line so easily without having to get all into this luggage. And let me show you why. You can see it's a hard-sided case and it's got just enough texture on it that it's not going to show scratches and, start to look really worn and torn really quickly. Luggage for me is an investment, but I need it to work really, really hard. I need it to work well. So it's important to me that it's going to look nice over time. And these pieces just have just the slightest little bit of texture on them that's going to keep them from showing all those bumps and scratches and things that are bound to happen over time as you travel. So in the past, I've been using this backpack to carry my electronics. And for overseas, really long haul flights, I still prefer to use this backpack. But this backpack is not the easiest piece to use to get through TSA for those shorter trips because you have to open it up and you have to pull things out and then you have to pull out your laptop. You've been through TSA, you have to do all of the things. And also, the backpack gets heavy, right? With the computer and all the equipment packed in there and then all the other doodads that I put in there to make sure I have all my stuff with me, the backpack gets heavy. So going through TSA with the backpack is absolutely workable, but it's a little bit clumsy. There's a better solution for me. This level 8 case has a front compartment that's made specifically for tech gear. And that is what I really, really love about this. Because all I have to do is walk through the security line, roll this with me, walk up to the TSA checkpoint, unzip this, pull out the laptop, set it in the tray, and move on about my day. So much easier, right? So let's get this packed up. Now, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you might know that I have 2 sprained ankles right now. Fell down the stairs, and I have 2 sprained ankles. So that's why we are sitting on the floor to pack today, because I can't stand. But even with 2 sprained ankles, I am not willing to give up my travel. I can only sit at home for so long. Now inside the case, you can see that it's got 2 very deep weld compartments with lots of space to tuck all the things you need to be able to take with you. The problem that this bag solves for me so incredibly easily is getting through that TSA line very efficiently, and then getting to my seat on the plane, pulling out my laptop, putting my bag in the overhead compartment, and just being done. And so with this particular bag, I don't have to carry a second backpack or anything else to carry my laptop. And that means I can put my feet under the seat in front of me, and I don't have to have another bag under the seat in front of me. And when you fly pretty often, that's something you can really appreciate, right? Being able to put your feet out. As you can see here, these pieces are deep enough to be able to put all of your things in and keep them nice and neat, but not so deep that everything gets kind of lost in the process, right? Because they're just the right depth to keep all of these things organized easily. Another thing I love about these cases is that they have 360-degree spinner wheels that are really good quality, solid construction. Now, Level 8 has been kind enough to give me a discount code. So all of my viewers who go over to the website, make any purchases, you can use the discount code Lori10. You don't have to remember it, it's going to be linked down below to get 10% off your purchase. And that code's going to be good for 30 days from the published date of this video. Now, this laptop carry-on case is one of Level 8's very best sellers. And you can see why, because it's an absolutely fantastic piece, right? It's so well thought out and so well designed, and it comes in really pretty colors, so who doesn't love that? It just works, and it works really, really well. Now, if you're not somebody that needs to travel with tech gear, there's a fantastic option for you as well. This piece is the same size and carries all the same things. It's got the same integrated TSA lock, so you don't have to worry about keeping track of your lock or your key, but it doesn't have the laptop compartment. Now, when I'm traveling for a longer period of time and I just need to take more stuff with me, this second case is the one I prefer, because in those instances, I just need to be able to take more stuff with me, and I travel with my backpack. So if you're not somebody that needs that extra compartment that you can so conveniently and easily get in and out of quickly, then that second case is a great option for you. They both work really, really well. If you're interested in checking out either of these options or any of the numerous options that they offer in all different colors, types, and sizes, there is a link to the website down below. If you're in the market for some good quality luggage, these are great options. I hope you do check them out. I would like to say a special thank you to Level 8 for providing these cases for me. I am really enjoying traveling with these, and I do hope you'll take the time to check them out. But now I've got to get some shoes on these swollen feet and hobble out of here on my crutches and get off to the airport. Until I see you next time, bye y'all.